What does monotony mean? Monotony means a lack of variety and excitement. In simple words, monotony means doing the same thing again and again in a boring way. When something never changes and feels repetitive, it creates monotony. Monotony often causes boredom. For example, working the same job every day without change created monotony. This means the job felt repetitive and boring. Monotony can happen in daily routine, school, work, or even in music. If music has no change in tone or rhythm, it may sound monotonous. Monotony is related to the word monotonous. Monotonous describes something that lacks variation. For example, his voice was monotonous during the lecture. Here are more example sentences. She wanted to travel to escape the monotony of daily life. The long speech was full of monotony. Breaking routine helps reduce monotony. Monotony usually has a negative meaning because people enjoy variety and change. In simple terms, monotony means boring repetition. Easy way to remember. Monotony means same thing again and again.